welcome to my channel. I'm Andrew and welcome to another unboxing all the way from Australia. But before we get on to the unboxing, if you're not already subscribed, I invite you to subscribe, and while you're there, just press the bell, which will remind you every time I upload a video. And all of that is absolutely free. Cheers! And let me have a sip because this is delicious. These are the sparkling wines I've been getting out of my advent calendars, and if you've been watching my vlogs, you'll know all about my advent calendars. Cheers! They are really delicious. Okay, so this came from my wonderful friend Mimi, and like I say, if you've been with me, you know that Mimi and I are great friends. We are true friends. And yeah, so she sent me this, which was a total surprise. I wasn't expecting anything, but Mimi being Mimi, you know, she likes to put a smile on my face. She likes to put a smile on everybody's face, and she has been going through such a hard time for a lot of this year. She's had major surgery. Oh, and by the way, she is a chateau chic with her daughter Nina. They are chateau chic. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and check their channel over. She hasn't been, or they haven't been uploading too often lately because Mimi's not been very well and Nina is busy becoming a lawyer, basically. Anyway, let's get to the opening of this. There we go. Oh, I see we've got Christmas paper. Look! Merry Christmas, it says on it. There we go. And I'm going to put it down and just open it properly. It's a Zara box because we like to reuse our boxes. So I'm just going to break the tape around here and here and along here. Here we go. I have no idea what's in here. Oh, oh, more Christmas wrapping. Oh, oh, warning. Open before daily vacuum. Oh no, is it going to be warning? Open before daily vacuum. Sometimes twice a day. Is there going to be glitter in this? Is you gonna? I'm scared. I'm scared to open this, Mimi. I haven't actually vacuumed it today, right? So that's what it says there. I also have a card. It's a beautiful Christmas card, and it's to Andrew and family. Dear Andrew, Rico and family, a healthy, prosperous 2020 filled with wonderful new adventures. All I love, Mimi, blah blah blah, and family. And I also have a great big letter here. She's just, I've just read the letter. I don't know if I should read it out, but it's such a beautiful letter. And if you know Mimi, you know she has a wonderful way with words. She's always been there for me, always been there for me. When I lost my mum, she would video message me. She was such a comfort to me, and we've never met, and we have an amazing friendship, an amazing bond, closeness, and we're very, very similar. And I'm going to read it out. It says, my dearest Andrew, what can I say to someone who has brightened my day and thought of me when she herself has been going through her own difficult times? All I can say is thank you. No, thank you, Mimi. You have no idea what you've done for me. Thank you for being there for me and for your support and encouragement. You are a blessing to the lives of all those you touch. Included here in this humble, and she's put in brackets, messy package is something to provide warmth, almost as warm as your heart. Something for your sweet tooth, as well as Rico's and Georgie's, and something super sparkly, though probably not comfortable, but who cares. Finally, you have something for your chocolate tree for all the kids to enjoy, big and small. Now, as for that Instagram message about your lost earring, you have your answer. Hee hee hee. Lots of love to you, Mimi. Lots of love. And then our personal message. I think you all know that Mimi and I are just, no more needs to be said, really. No more needs to be said. Cheers, Mimi. Cheers to the coming year 2020 and the next decade being everything you want it to be. Everything you wish it to be. Right. Let's do what we're here to do. Oh. I've lifted, right, okay. I've lifted this, okay, and I can see Tim Tams. I can see Tim. I had, let me tell you, the last package that Mimi sent me, she sent me some Tim Tams, and I think she sent me 2 boxes. I think it was because I saved the one box so Costa, Kelly and Theo could share them as well, because they're always away and then we all eat them up here. So I had to save that, and then Luke came in, saw them in the cupboard and opened them up, so then that's it, they were gone. So now, and they're all here, my family is all here, so yeah. Right, okay, let's open this up. Here we go. Suzanne.com. Oh. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh wow, look, this will be great. Look, oh, that's so soft, it's beautiful. Ah, and your wee hat. This will be great now, because I'm going to be out walking an awful lot now that I've given up the gym. How good does that look? Oh, I love it. Love it. So soft. I love it. Oh my goodness. I love it. I absolutely love it. And you know, I picked myself up a pair of pink woolly gloves as well, which will match this palette. I really absolutely love it. Oh my god, it's amazing. It really is amazing. I love it. And I always say I shouldn't put hats on at the beginning of a video, but oh, I love this. Oh, I really love this. Right. We have Tim Tams. I'm going to open them because the kids are here. They're actually away to a wedding today. But so I'll just put them in a cookie jar and they can all enjoy them. And Theo's downstairs, so I can let Theo have one. Just that one, they smell divine. I've been trying not to eat chocolate this week, but I couldn't resist. I looked at it, I thought, no, the battery's not going. Cheers, Mimi. Delicious. We have I've never seen these before. Cherry ripe. So just some chocolates thrown in. Some dairy milk. Lots of chocolates. Some Turkish delight. More Turkish delight. I thought there was glitter when she said about vacuuming, but it's not. I reckon it's all this stuff, but that's fine. I've managed to keep it in the box. More dairy milk. Dairy milk. Dairy milk. And oh wow, look at these. Oh my, look at these beautiful socks. Look how beautiful they are. They actually look just like my I've got my Michael Kors dress hanging there. They're just that same kind of sparkle. They're absolutely beautiful. Love me some socks. And oh look, I'm gonna go and hang them on the tree with Theo. There we go. So that we'll all be enjoying them off my chocolate tree. And Wayne Cooper. Oh wow, look, focus, look, aren't they beautiful? Perfect for Christmas. Right, we need to get, oh, look at those angels. I love the angels, look at them. Just put them on now. I'm feeling the heat with my scarf, but I love it. I absolutely love it. It suits me that colour actually. Even if I do say so myself, I know. Right, let's get these earrings in. Aren't these beautiful? Put that in. Will I put two different ones in? Will I put a little angel in? Oh, I like that. Look, that's beautiful. Oh, how beautiful is that? And I've just put a wee Christmas tree on. It's just so we can see what they're like. Look how beautiful they are. Aren't they beautiful? Look. Crunchy. I love me some crunchy. There we go. So that's my Christmas unboxing. So thank you very much, Mimi. I'll just finish off my biscuit before I take them down, and everybody else will finish them. So cheers, Mimi. Thank you so much. I absolutely love everything. My earrings. Oh, and the Instagram story about the earrings was my friend B Rachel had sent me a pair of earrings, and they had little stars hanging on them. And they had little stars. They were hoops with little stars hanging, and I lost one of the stars, and I was gutted. I had worn those earrings so much, and yeah, so maybe just sent me some more Christmas earrings, which I'm absolutely loving. Yo, cheers. Right, I shouldn't speak with my mouth full, but cheers. Merry Christmas, everybody. May 2020 be the year of your dreams, and Mimi, love you, girl.